All right, how you doing today? Today we're taking a look at Multimedia ReSing. This is Voice, Reimagine, voice modeling for professionals. Now I don't actually have the plugin yet. It is not out yet. This is just kind of a first look at it here. There will be a free version, which is cool. There's two other versions as well. We'll take a look at some of this stuff here. Now, I reviewed software like this before. I'll put a link in the video description below for that video as well. But this is pretty cool. This is where like you take your voice and it changes your voice in real time. And they say this one is a download only. It's not connected to the internet or anything. There's a standalone version, there's a plug-in version, and you can change your voice. And this is the first one that they say here, that you can actually make a model of your own voice, which is really cool. So that'd be something very interesting for a lot of singers and maybe non-singers too. I don't know if you can do it if you're not that great of a singer to begin with. So at the core, ReSing is an advanced AI technology that captures the unique timbre, tone, and expression of real artists delivering ultra-natural vocal performances that indistinguishable from a live session, replacing scratch vocals with expression, session quality voices, and take full control over every nuance of the sound. So these are actual singers that they hire, ethical AI, that's the term I'm looking for. You know, they sign agreements to use their voices and stuff like that. I guess there's 25 vocals right now and 25 instruments that you can use as well, which is cool because you could sing bass lines, riffs, and hooks and convert them into real instruments. Create your own voice models to share or license. You could even license your own voice, so that's pretty interesting. Obviously, I don't know much about that, but that'd be pretty cool if you're something you're interested in doing. But this is the interface here, and you know, just to transpose your voice characteristic. Change some things, model library of the different vocalists. So let's actually play some demos here. So this is pop.
Don't let me fall again. I've been with you when you needed help, and I call you almost every day. Don't let me fall again. I can't, 'cause it's not easy to hold. I'm down in the sorrow. Can you show me my pages? I try to see in color. I'm in the hole, baby, that is my issue.
'Cause I'm not, I like shit out. I'm not breathing well.
'Cause I'm not, I like shit now. I'm not breathing well.
So that's pretty cool. Obviously, I don't have the real demo here to use to test it out myself, which is hopefully I'll get when, I don't know when this is coming out. But like I said, there is a free version, which is probably does have some restrictions. It has two voices. And it has built-in effects as well, dynamics, tune, reverb, de-essing, gate, and compression, and all that stuff built in. And you can do it for instruments too. Change your voice to a trumpet. Also, you can define the emotion of the vocals, balance, mellow, lively, smooth, stuff like that. Now here's where the interesting part comes in. Model your own voice. Unlike other vocal replacement software servers, ReSing is the first to let you create custom models locally on your computer, giving you complete control over the input, audio, files, and final model. So that's pretty cool, especially because it's done locally on your computer, so they can't take it or whatever. And I guess you can license it too, it says. Maybe they have a system. I don't know how that's all going to work, but it looks pretty interesting. And there's expanding voice collection, so there will be more voices. New voice partner models will be coming soon. I guess obviously if you could license your own voice, maybe you could get on the database of that. I don't know. But the versions here, you have ReSing Free, which includes 2 voices, 2 instruments, 2 model generations, and restricted imports. Then you have 10 voices with ReSing. Includes 10 voices, 10 models, blah, 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 and then 25 with the ReSing Max. And expanding library. I don't know if you get any more. I guess you just get the 25, and then maybe they'll have to pay extra for the other ones that come out in the future. So just a quick thing today. Let me know what you guys think. Leave some comments down below. Check out my other videos floating around the screen here. I have hundreds of videos in my back catalog, all kind of music production stuff. That is all for now. I will talk to you soon.